Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to restrict your account on Instagram from your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to restrict an account on the Instagram from the computer? So first example, you just search the account that you just want to restrict. So I just going to my setting and actually I just block my account. I just going to unblock this. So I just go inside my account that I just want to restrict, just don't want to block, but I just want to restrict. So click on this three dot option on the top and you will see an option called restrict. Just click this, and here are you having a problem with this account, and this will be limited the unwanted interaction without having any block or unfollow someone you know. So you can see the point, it will not block or unfollow, and you will be controlled if the other can see the new command like that. So click on this restrict this account. Now the account has been restricted, and still you can just follow this account. And this is how you just restrict the someone on the Instagram. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.